Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's night. I am going to have dinner right now. Today I am going to have anda curry. Yeah, look here. This is anda curry. Wow, that's look delicious. So let's see what will be my first experience when I will try first bite. Let's break the bread. I am soaking the bite in the gravy. Bismillah. Wow. This anda curry is very nice. Actually, I love it. This taste is amazing. So guys, I would like to suggest to you that you must try anda curry in your life. This is the traditional dish of India. If you try anda curry in your life, obviously, you would love it. So, now I am going to finish my dinner and I will meet you after the dinner. Okay.
After dinner,
I have been working for 1 hour after the dinner. Now I am going to for sleep because it's very late. I had woke up in the morning, but I didn't shoot the vlog. But now it's 1 o'clock in afternoon. And I'm shooting my vlog right now. My lunch is over. I had stale food in the lunch as I told you yesterday. So right now I am enjoying the weather. As you can see, the weather is very clear and it's fascinating. Wow. You can see every clouds in the sky. Look in the sky. Wow. Sky is very blue today. As you can see, this machine used for agriculture work. This machine just made by iron. This is very solid. I'm enjoying here, but it's getting very hot. So I have to back home because the sunlight is very high. So right now, my little cousin having popcorn. As you can see in his hand, he is eating popcorn. And who is this guy? Hello. Can I ask you something? Hey, stop. What's your name? Hey, he is gone. He doesn't know what is my name. My cousin. So, I was talking about my cousin. My cousin having popcorn right now. I want to eat too. Hey, don't run. I want to eat too. So guys, my little cousin giving me some popcorn. Thank you, man. Bismillah. Wow, the taste of popcorn is really good. So guys, as you can see, he's my brother. He lives in my village. He is my neighbors. So he want to say you hello. Hello. I am going to ask him his name. So let's ask. What is your name?
Abdul Samad.
His name is Abdul Samad. Which class do you study in?
8th.
He study in 8th class. So let's ask about which subject he likes the most.
English.
He likes most English. Everybody has their own choice. Oh my god, I saw a kitty here. Where are you going, kitty? Hey, she is very cute. You can see the kitty has gone inside my house. Now she will find something to eat, but I always give her some special food. I was sitting inside the house. When I come outside, I saw the weather getting dangerous. I think the rain is possible late evening. The black clouds approaching rapidly. I just saw something special. Now I am going to show you that thing. Let's go there. Look there. I saw some trash can here. I am sorry. That is nothing special. So I am eating corn cob. This corn cob is very nice. I love to eat corn cob. I was coming from a place. I just stopped my uncle's bike here. As you can see, I am in the forest. You can look around me. I'm in the forest and I am enjoying here. You can see. Wow. This is the paddy field. This view is amazing and you can see everywhere. There is no one. I am just alone here. If you want to speak like me, then you have to practice in quiet place, as I am doing right now. What we can talk about now? There is nothing special to show you guys. I think I have to go home now. I am passing from these beautiful views. I was passing from here. I saw some kids playing hockey here. As you can see, this boy is playing hockey. So you can see this boy is very perfect. It seems like very perfect and everyone saying hello.
Hello.
You can see this boy is playing hockey. It seems perfect. Look at him. Oh, what a beautiful pose. So I just shoot the vlog. Now I am going back home because I can't play with them. I don't have time to play hockey. I want to tell you the truth why I don't want to play hockey, because I don't know how to play the hockey. This horse lives in my village. What I am wondering that this horse is very skinny, just like me. I think this horse doesn't take proper diet. That's why he is so skinny. But it can't be like that because I am skinny too. Even I take proper diet. I have 5 rupees in my hand. I am going to buy something in my local shop. I want to buy some candy. So finally I have arrived the shop. As you can see, this shop is in my village. Now he is going to give me some candy of 5 rupees. You can see 5 rupees in my hand. I want to coconut candy. Here you go. So finally I bought candies. Now I am going back home, and after reaching the home I will eat this candy. Now try to eat candy and check how's the taste of this candy. This candy made by coconut. I always open product by my mouth because this is the best way to open any product. So here you can see candy in my hand. Bismillah. Wow, it's very sweet. I like the taste of this candy. That's really amazing. They both are brother fighting each other, right? The reason behind of this fight is a balloon. His brother has a balloon and he's not giving that balloon to his other brother, and that's the reason of fight. I forget to tell you the cost of one candy. You know, the one candy's cost is only 1 rupees. Now you can multiply 1 rupees into $1. So this is enough for today. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog, then subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, bye.